All right, guys. So I picked up some of this polish at the local Walmart. Had some good reviews. Looks pretty cool. So we're gonna see how well it works on the pipe. There's some other ones that I saw online. I don't want to wait for the shipping and whatnot. I want to get this on the quad. So I want to clean it up as much as I can. We're not going to do this entire pipe mainly because I only have this little guy. So that would take forever. And again, this exhaust, one, it's going to get dirty very quickly. Two, it's completely covered by the plastics on the quad, so you won't even get to see it. But I just want to see what this will look like after we put a little bit of time polishing it and see if we can get a really nice shine out of it. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. Really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to put a little bit on this, on the pad here, and kind of go off the stir it on here. I don't know. See how it works out. We're going to go low speed, as low as this Harbor Freight tool goes. See what it looks like. Wow, pretty good shine. Let's bring it up in a little closer here. There we go. Whoop, not too much. You can see the difference. The two sides here. That came out pretty darn nice. That looks pretty good. That's what it looked like. It's definitely got a shine to it. Work on a little longer, see what we got. But that is going to take forever, so we're not going to do the whole pipe. We'll just do it maybe down to the weld. Do it around the weld. It's still got a little bit of dirt in there. We'll clean that up. We'll see what it looks like here. Doesn't look too bad. Pretty big difference on one side. Here, see if we can get a good. Pretty shiny. That's what it looked like. For what this little guy can do. But she's kind of worn out. These Harbor Freight ones, they work fine, but this thing got overheated just doing this little bit. And it really, in my opinion, isn't made to do this much and really kind of going at it. You need the bench grinder that has a polishing wheel on it. I think you do a lot better than using these little dudes. But all in all, not too bad. I like it. The product worked pretty darn well, and I barely even used any, just a tiny little bit. Again, no idea what I'm doing, but it looks pretty good. Also got this Neverdol stuff. We're gonna try it. I just ripped a small little piece off. We're gonna try it on here and see if it does anything. This one, all it says is to trim it, which I did, and polish it, buff it with a soft, dry cloth for a shine. So we're gonna put it on and then buff it off, I guess. I don't know. Give it a shot, see what it looks like. I mean, it looks clean, but it didn't look like it did absolutely anything down here. I mean, it cleaned it up, but it could have still had some residue from the mothers, but I don't know. We'll have to try this on something else. I have an exhaust tip on my truck that I want to try this stuff on and see what it looks like. But all in all, I like it. We're going to leave the pipe probably the way it is. It's shined up enough. I wanted to do a comparison video later on this exhaust versus the stock exhaust. I want to get some measurements on it, sound clips, stuff like that. But yeah, I like it. This didn't seem to really do anything, but the mothers with the Dremel seem to work pretty good. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, if you have any other ideas to get this, I don't know how to get, like this stuff didn't seem to come off at all, but it seems like it's pretty, I don't know, I'm not sure. This cleaned up good. It cleaned up decent, but it's definitely not 100%. So if there's something else we can use, let me know in the comment section below. All right, thanks guys. See you in the next one. God bless.